Hello, and welcome back to this week's episode of Tech Tips. My name is Lucas Morneau, and I'm the production manager here at Shreds Gallery. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Canon EOS 6D, a full-frame camera, perfect for those learning DSLR video. So, let's take a look. The Canon EOS 6D is a DSLR camera perfect for both photography and videography. Inside the kit, the Canon 6D includes a battery charger and the Canon 50mm f1.8 lens. As this camera uses the Canon EF mount, we can trade this lens for other lenses such as the Zeiss lenses available at Struts. Unlike most video cameras available at Struts, the Canon 6D is a full-frame camera. This means that we're able to create a bit more depth of field due to our larger sensor, resulting in blurrier backgrounds when shooting with a large aperture. It features a 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that has a maximum resolution of 5472 by 3648. The Canon 6D has an ISO range of 100 to 25600 and is able to expand down to ISO 50 and up to ISO 102,400. The Canon 6D has amazing low light capabilities, and as we can see comparing capture video at ISO 400 versus 12,800, we actually maintain quite a lot of detail and don't have many issues with noise as with other cameras. The Canon 6D is capable of recording 1080p video through the H.264 codec and at .mov container with a maximum frame rate of 30 frames per second. The 6D is capable of recording in 60 frames per second, but only with a maximum resolution of 720p, so you'll be limited with slow motion work with this camera. You also have the choice between All-I or IPP compression. All-I compresses each frame and is better for editing and extracting frames, whereas IPP compresses by referencing the previous and next frames, making it more suitable for longer recordings. A UHS-I memory card is required for All-I recording. The Canon 6D includes a couple of useful ports, including a 3.5mm jack for external mics, mini HDMI, micro USB for AV out, and an M3 type remote release port. Sadly, one downside to this camera is the lack of a 3.5mm jack for monitoring audio. While there's no Canon C-Log or any other log recording feature on this camera, we can manually change the picture profile so that our image is desaturated and flattened. All we have to do is set our picture profile to the neutral profile and change the settings so sharpness is set to 0, contrast -4, saturation -2, and color tone 0. You can also purchase third-party profiles that mimic Canon C-Log. Next, let's go over how to use the Canon 6D. First, we'll turn on the camera and turn on the live feed for recording video. This will turn on the LCD and give us a live feed of what our camera is seeing. Next, we'll push the Q button. This will open up a quick menu, allowing us to quickly change things like resolution, frame rate, picture profiles, etc. From here, we'll go through each menu. Starting from the top right, we have our autofocus method, where we can choose between Flexizone, which focuses on a single point, live mode, which focuses on detected faces, and quick mode, which focuses the camera quickly when live view is paused. Again, this is optional, as you can turn off autofocus on your lens and choose to focus manually. Next is the drive mode, which, for photographers, dictates how the camera will capture a photograph. Options include single shooting, continuous shooting for those who need to use the camera's ability to shoot 4.5 frames per second, silent shooting, silent continuous shooting, and 2 self-timer modes. Below this, we have our camera's image quality, with different options for shooting RAW and JPEG for photographers. Next, we have our movie recording size, where we determine our resolution, frame rate, and compression. Again, if we want to get the best quality out of the camera for editing later, we will want to choose all-eye compression. We'll push down, and our cursor will jump over to the right side of the menu, allowing us to now set our white balance. Below this is our picture style or picture profile. Again, if you want to record as if you're using Canon C-Log, select the neutral profile. From here, we have most of what we need set. We can exit the menu by pushing the Q button again, and now we're ready to shoot. You can adjust the aperture manually through the camera if needed by rotating the wheel on the back of the camera and adjust the shutter speed with the wheel on the grip. Remember, we want the bottom number of our shutter speed fraction to be double of what our frame rate is. So if we're shooting at 24 frames per second, we want our shutter speed to be around 1/50. For the most control, we'll make sure our shooting mode dial on the top left of the camera is set to M for manual mode, allowing us full control of the camera. And if we need to change the ISO, there's a dedicated button on the top right, along with a few other dedicated buttons. And finally, if we need manual control over our audio, this can be all adjusted in the menu. Push the menu button, push the wheel right until we end up on the movie menu where sound recording is located. We can turn it on manually and adjust our levels, as well as turn on a wind filter and attenuator. And now we're ready to shoot. Next, let's go over the pros and cons of the Canon 6D. On the upside, the Canon 6D features a full-frame CMOS sensor that will give you much better depth of field and bokeh in comparisons to a crop sensor. Its small and ergonomic design makes this camera extremely portable. For a professional DSLR, it's quite easy to use and very friendly for beginners. And since we can use the neutral profile to create a log-like image, this camera works great in multicam setups. On the downside, we are unable to use external recorders with this camera, so we're stuck with the H.264 codec. Trying to output a live feed from the mini HDMI port will only result in a 720p live view of your scene. Video will play back at 1080p, but it's just not available for the live camera feed. And finally, additional codecs alongside the H.264 codec, maybe something like a AVC-HD, would have been great. So, in conclusion, the Canon 6D is a fantastic camera for beginners looking to get more control out of their video. The Canon 6D, along with other audio and video gear, is available to rent from Strets & Fawcett. Links are in the description below. My name is Lucas Morneau. This is Tech Tips. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I wish you all the best.